American T-6 Texan trainer. They made a bunch of these airplanes. It was the airplane nickname, the pilot maker.
いっぱい飛行機ね。
Advanced Trainer, AT, is what AT stands for.
飛行機乗りたい？
Primary trainers for soft fly.
飛行機乗りたい？
Basic training syllabus into the advanced training syllabus. When you got to fly one of these airplanes, you were the hot rock pilot on the base. This plane had just about everything you could probably want. Landing gear, controllable pitch propeller. It seated 2 people. It had an enclosed canopy. Some of the airplanes, you could take the back seat, put it in the reverse position, mount a machine gun, used to train aerial gunners. During the Korean conflict in the 50s, the airplane was used as an artillery spotter. It was known then as the Mosquito. So what became a simple training airplane, it was flying in the skies over Korea, and you happened to be